Longview ISD is extremely excited to introduce our newest safety measure to help students get to and from school safely. LISD is partnering with Zonar MY View alert system to provide parents with a peace of mind when their students are riding our buses. Zonar MY View is a safety system installed in all Longview ISD buses that has GPS locators that will provide real-time location updates to parents as students arrive to and from school.
Hi, my name is Chris. You may know me from our new webcast, Good Morning Louisville Nation. Today I want to share with you about LISD's new safety initiative that will help guide your students home in a timely manner and will allow you as their guardian to track students when they get on or off a bus. With Zonar MY View, you'll be able to see when any student rider gets on or off a bus at any given moment. Your student will receive their Zonar card that will be distributed to them from their campus. If you look on the front of that card, you'll see the student's first and last name and also the student's ID number. On the back of that card, you will see the RFID number. The RFID number on the back of that card, that is a number that is an embedded GPS chip that is embedded in the card.
When your student gets on the bus, they will look for the blue light to notify them that the Zonar scanner is ready to scan their card. When a Z-Pass card is within 2 inches of the front of the reader will attempt to scan the card. Each time a card is read, it is indicated by the reader's color changing from blue to green momentarily, and then it changes back to blue again. At the same time, it will be letting the rider know that their card has been read. Once a student has scanned their card, an alert will be sent to the families notifying them again. This will send another alert to the student's guardian, letting them know that they have arrived at their destinations and are exiting the bus. It's very important that children do not lose their card because they should swipe it each time they get on the bus and each time they get off the bus. It can be helpful for kids to remember ready, swipe, store. Ready means to have the card ready to swipe before the bus arrives and be ready to swipe it again when getting off the bus. Swipe is a reminder to swipe the card correctly. That means hold it flat near the scanner until it beeps and the light changes from blue to green. If you do not hear a beep, swipe it again. The bus driver can help students get it right. Store means store your card. You might attach it to your backpack using its lanyard or perhaps store in a special pocket. Just remember to store it so you won't lose it.
How do you track your student when they're on the bus? Start by setting up the Zonar MY View app from the Apple Store or Google Play. Enter the access code 75602 and enter your student's unique student ID. Then select the notification method via the App Store or the text message.
If you have questions about Zonar MY View system, please reach out to the LISD Transportation at 903-381-2361 or 903-381-2330. And as always, remember, it's a great day to be a Lobo.